Good morning to all. Today our chapter is chapter 8 from the book Innovative Maths. Chapter name is Factorization of Polynomial. The name of the chapter is Factorization of Polynomial from the book Innovative Maths for ICSE. Okay. Exercise, I am doing directly to exercise 8. Without actual division, find the remainder. When the function given, this is the polynomial given, divisor given x minus 4, second part x minus 2, like this given. I am solving one by one. Question number 1. Exercise 8 from the book Innovative Math Books. Chapter name is Factorization of Polynomial. Number 1, first part it is given f of x, polynomial given, that is x cube minus 4x square plus 2x minus 6. This one is given, f of x given, and divisor means divided by, that is x minus 4 given. Whenever the divisor given x minus 4, so what is the value of x? That means you think this is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. Means x is equal to 4 you have to take. The remainder is equal to, you have to find out the remainder. Remainder is equal to f of x is replaced by 4. Where I am getting the 4? Because divisor is x minus 4. So which is the divisor? That divisor make it equal to 0. Equal to 0 लेके तो x का value find करो. x आ रहा है 4 आ रहा है. And that is f of 4 is the remainder. Means without division we can find directly remainder by putting x equal to 4 in the given polynomial. That is 4 का cube minus 4 into 4 का whole square plus 2 into 4 minus 6. 4 cube is how much? 64. And this is how much? 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. It will cancel out. This is 8 minus 6. Finally we are getting how much? This cancel, 8 minus 6 is 2. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. The first part completed. See the second part. Second part f of x given, that is x cube minus 8x square plus 2x minus 1. Divisor given, divisor equal to x minus 2. Therefore x equal to how much? X is equal to 2. जो डिवाइजर है ना उसको इक्वल टू 0 लेके x का वैल्यू फाइंड करो. x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स x इक्वल टू. दिस इज द शॉर्टकट मेथड टू फाइंड द रिमाइंडर. And putting x equal to 2 in the given polynomial, we will get the remainder. Remainder is equal to f of 2. X is replaced by 2. That is 2 whole cube minus 8 into 2 whole square plus 2 into x means 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 cube is how much? 8. And this is 2 whole square is 4. 8 for the 32 plus 4 minus 1. 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. And minus 32 minus 1, that is coming minus 33. If I subtract, how much I will get? Minus 33 and 12, it will coming how much? Minus 21. And this is the remainder. Next I am going third part. The third part, f of x, it is given 2x cube plus 8x square plus 3x minus 1. Given f of x equal to 2x cube plus 8x square plus 3x minus 1. And divisor given here, third part, divisor equal to x minus 2. Therefore x will be how much? तो डिवाइजर है उसको 0 इक्वल टू 0 करके x का वैल्यू फाइंड करो, कितना आ रहा है? x इक्वल टू 2. Therefore remainder will be, remainder is equal to f of 2. x is replaced by 2. 2 into 2 cube plus 8 into 2 whole square because x square given plus 3x, x means what? 2 minus 1. 2 cube is how much? 8, 8 to the 16. 2 square 4, 4 8 ja 32, plus 3 2 ja 6, minus 1. Finally, how much are you getting? 32 plus 16, that is 48. 48 plus 6, 48 plus 6, 54. 54 minus 1 equal to how much? 53. The answer is, what is the remainder? Remainder is 53. Just normal addition you have to do. 32 and this 16 plus 16, 16 plus 6. Okay. Let us go next number. Next part given, fourth part, f of x, given polynomial given 3x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 1, and divisor given that is x plus 1 by 2. Whenever the divisor given x plus 2, you have to write x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. From there you will get x value. X value how much can be? Minus half. You have to put x is equal to minus half in the given polynomial, then you will get the remainder. The remainder will be, therefore remainder is equal to f of minus half. That means 3 minus 1 by 2 cube plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 4 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1. That means 3 into minus 1 by 2 whole is minus 1 by 8. This will be 2 whole into minus 1 by 2 whole square is how much? 1 by 4. This will be plus 2 to cancel, 2 minus 1. This is coming minus 3 by 8. This is 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 means plus 1. Take the LCM. LCM will be how much? 8. This is minus 3. This is 4 and this is 8. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 plus 8, that is 9 by 8. Means 1 by 8 is the remainder. In this is the fourth part also completed. And the next part, that is fifth part. Number 1, fifth part. F of x given polynomial given 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 8, and divisor given x minus 1. Whenever the divisor given, you have to write divisor equal to 0, means x minus 1 equal to 0, therefore x will be how much? X is equal to 1. So why I am finding like this? To get the remainder, putting x is equal to 1 in the given polynomial, that is f of 1. Now put x is equal to 1, that is 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 7 into 1 minus 8. How much you getting? 2 minus 3 plus 7 minus 8. 2 plus 7, that is 9, minus 3 minus 11, minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. 9 minus 11 is minus 2. What is the remainder? Minus 2 is the remainder. In this way, number 1, all the parts are completed. Just I am doing number 2. Question number 2 given, using remainder theorem, find f of 3 and f of minus 2 for each of the following. There are 3 parts given. First part I am doing, f of x given how much? First write what is given polynomial. F of x given, that is x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 1. This one is f of x given, okay? And you have to find out f of 3, putting x is equal to 3. 3 cube plus 3 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 cube is how much? 27. 3 square 9, 9 3 is 27. Minus 9 plus 1. 27 plus 27, 54 plus 1, 55. 55 minus 9. 55 minus 9, how much are you getting? 46. The remainder, the f of 3 value, they are asking to find the value of f of 3. That is coming 46. Again you have to find out f of minus 2. Means putting x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube, 3 into minus 2 whole square, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. This will be minus 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. This is plus 6 plus 1. How much are you getting? 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 minus 8 coming 11. So what is the value of f of minus 2? Is minus 8. The number 2 first part completed. The second part. See the second part what is given here. f of x given polynomial given x cube minus 8x square minus 2x plus 5. This is given, and you have to find out f of 3. Therefore f of 3, just x is replaced by 3, that means 3 cube minus 8 into 3 whole square minus 2 into 3 plus 5. 3 whole cube is how much? 27. 3 square 9, 9 8 is 72. This is minus 6 plus 5. 27 plus 5 is coming how much? 32. And this is minus 78. Minus 78 plus 32 coming how much? Minus 8 minus 2 6, 7 minus 3 4, minus 46. This is the answer, number 2 second part. Okay, number 2 second part. And also you have to find out f of minus 2. f of minus 2 means x is replaced by just minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube minus 8 into minus 2 whole square and minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. Just x is replaced by minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube is how much? Minus 8. Minus 2 whole square 4. 4 is just 32. Means minus 32. This is plus 4 plus 5. Minus 8 minus 32 will be how much? Minus 40. And this is 9. 4 plus 5 9. Minus 40 plus 9 is minus 31. So what is the answer? Minus 31. In this way number 2 second part also completed. Okay. Thank you for today class. Next I'll do more sums.